Hey everyone, welcome back to Generative AI. I hope you're having an amazing day because today we're diving into something that is already making waves across the tech world. OpenAI YOFO Wildflower. If you've been following the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, then you already know that this isn't just another incremental update or small tweak to an existing system. OpenAI YOFO Wildflower is a full-on revolution, a shift in the way we think about AI, human interaction, and the future of intelligent systems. This is more than just an AI model, it's a leap forward that could change how we live, work, and connect with technology every single day. For years, we've seen OpenAI push boundaries with models like GPT, DALL-E, and ChatGPT, but YOFO Wildflower takes things into uncharted territory. The very name, YOFO Wildflower, carries a message of innovation and resilience, something that grows and adapts no matter the environment. This project is designed to bring AI closer to the real world, making it not just smarter, but more human-like in its responses, more intuitive in its decision-making, and more capable of understanding the complex emotions and needs of the people who use it. And here's the part that's got everyone buzzing. OpenAI YOFO Wildflower isn't just built for researchers or tech giants. It's being developed with accessibility in mind, meaning creators, educators, businesses, and everyday users can tap into its capabilities. Imagine an AI system that doesn't just answer your questions, but anticipates your needs, learns your preferences, and adapts in real time to provide solutions that feel tailor-made for you. That's the power of YOFO Wildflower. It integrates state-of-the-art generative AI technology with cutting-edge natural language processing, allowing it to generate not only text, but also actionable insights, immersive media, and interactive experiences that go beyond anything we've seen before. The shift here isn't just about bigger models or more training data. It's about smarter algorithms, better alignment with human values, and a focus on real-world usability. One of the most fascinating aspects of OpenAI YOFO Wildflower is how it leverages multimodal learning. That means it's not limited to processing text alone. We're talking about AI that can interpret images, video, voice, and even environmental cues in real time. For content creators, this is groundbreaking. Imagine being able to describe a scene in your video and having YOFO Wildflower generate visuals, soundscapes, and even narrative enhancements that blend seamlessly into your project. For educators, think about interactive learning modules that adapt to a student's pace and learning style, delivering customized content that makes complex topics easier to understand and more engaging than ever. In the business world, YOFO Wildflower is already being talked about as the ultimate productivity tool. Companies are looking at ways to integrate it into customer service, decision support, data analysis, and even team collaboration. Instead of static AI chatbots, imagine customer service agents powered by YOFO Wildflower that not only solve problems, but also understand context, tone, and even the subtle frustrations of a customer, responding with empathy and precision. This level of interaction could completely redefine customer relationships and brand trust. Now let's talk about scalability, because this is where YOFO Wildflower really sets itself apart. Traditional AI models often require massive resources to run effectively, limiting their use to only the biggest players in tech. But OpenAI has designed YOFO Wildflower with scalability at its core, allowing businesses of all sizes, as well as individual creators, to benefit from its features. Whether you're running a large enterprise or a one-person startup, you can leverage the same level of intelligence, customization, and performance without breaking the bank. What's also exciting is how YOFO Wildflower incorporates privacy and security by design. In an age where concerns about data leaks, surveillance, and digital safety are at an all-time high, OpenAI has placed a huge emphasis on making YOFO Wildflower both powerful and trustworthy. We're talking about advanced encryption, on-device learning for sensitive tasks, and user-controlled privacy settings that give you more ownership over your data than ever before. This makes it not only a technological breakthrough, but also a system that aligns with the growing demand for ethical AI. But let's be real, what most people are buzzing about is the creative potential. YOFO Wildflower opens up entirely new dimensions for artists, musicians, writers, and filmmakers. Imagine creating a music track where the AI doesn't just generate beats, but collaborates with you, understanding your vibe and evolving the composition in real time. Picture writing a novel where YOFO Wildflower helps you flesh out characters, build dialogue that feels authentic, and even suggest plot twists that keep readers hooked. The wildflower metaphor makes sense here. It's about growth, adaptation, and blooming creativity in unexpected places. And when it comes to gaming, this is a total game changer. Developers can use YOFO Wildflower to generate immersive, responsive environments that change based on a player's actions. Instead of scripted storylines, we're talking about dynamic worlds that grow, shift, and react in ways that make every playthrough unique. Gamers will no longer just play. They'll live inside experiences that evolve with them, powered by AI that truly understands context and creativity. One of the most groundbreaking features of YOFO Wildflower is its alignment layer. If you've been following AI developments, you know that one of the biggest challenges has been aligning powerful models with human values, making sure that the output is not only accurate, but also safe, ethical, and beneficial. YOFO Wildflower takes this to the next level with alignment mechanisms that ensure interactions remain respectful, inclusive, and contextually appropriate. This is more than just a filter. It's a sophisticated system that evolves as human culture and values evolve, making the AI more adaptable to real-world complexities. Another area where YOFO Wildflower shines is collaboration. Think about the possibilities for global research projects where scientists across different continents feed data into a shared YOFO wildflower system that not only processes the information but actively proposes new hypotheses, identifies overlooked connections, and accelerates discoveries in medicine, climate science, and engineering. Instead of months or years of analysis, groundbreaking insights could emerge in weeks. Now let's dive into the economics of YOFO Wildflower, because this is where we see how transformative it can be. By reducing the resource requirements for high-level AI performance, OpenAI is opening the door for wider adoption across industries. This means small businesses can finally compete with bigger corporations in leveraging advanced AI, and startups can innovate without being held back by cost. It's democratizing access to intelligence in a way that could completely reshape the market landscape. For everyday users, YOFO Wildflower could become the ultimate digital assistant. Picture waking up and having your AI summarize global news tailored to your interests, plan your schedule, handle repetitive tasks, and even generate meal plans based on your health goals, all while learning and adapting to make tomorrow even smoother. The integration possibilities are endless. Smart homes that truly understand your lifestyle, cars that adapt to your driving style, and health apps that not only track metrics, but proactively suggest improvements. The reason people are calling YOFO Wildflower a turning point is simple. It blends intelligence with empathy, creativity with responsibility, and innovation with accessibility. We've seen AI hype before, but this feels different because it's not just about capability, it's about impact. It's about how this technology can actually improve lives, foster creativity, and push humanity forward without leaving people behind. And here's where the story gets even more exciting. YOFO Wildflower is designed with modularity in mind. That means users and developers can customize their interactions, add specialized knowledge modules, and expand the AI's capabilities in directions that matter most to them. Whether you're in healthcare, education, entertainment, or finance, you can shape YOFO Wildflower to fit your needs, making it a truly personal experience rather than a one-size-fits-all system. When it comes to speed and efficiency, YOFO Wildflower is unparalleled. Early tests show that it can process requests faster than previous models while delivering more accurate and contextually relevant responses. This means less time waiting for answers and more time acting on insights. For businesses, that translates to faster decisions and better outcomes. For creators, it means ideas come to life in record time. For students, it's about getting explanations that make sense right when you need them. We can't ignore the social and cultural impact of YOFO Wildflower either. This isn't just a tool, it's a movement toward more connected, empathetic, and creative interactions between humans and machines. As people begin to use it in their daily lives, we'll start to see new forms of expression, collaboration, and even art emerge. Just as the internet opened up possibilities we couldn't imagine, YOFO Wildflower is setting the stage for a new era of digital creativity and human-AI synergy. There's also a huge conversation around the future of work. With YOFO Wildflower, repetitive and mundane tasks can be automated with precision, freeing humans to focus on higher-level thinking, strategy, and creativity. This doesn't mean AI replaces jobs. It means AI augments human potential. Workers equipped with YOFO Wildflower will have the tools to innovate, problem solve, and deliver results at a scale and speed never before possible. Let's not forget about education, one of the areas where YOFO Wildflower could have the most profound effect. Instead of rigid, one-size-fits-all curriculums, students could have AI-driven mentors that adapt lessons to their pace, clarify confusing concepts with tailored explanations, and encourage curiosity by offering related topics and challenges. This could reduce educational gaps, empower self-learners, and provide opportunities for lifelong learning in ways we've only dreamed of. At the same time, OpenAI has made it clear that ethical guidelines are at the core of YOFO Wildflower. The system is designed to avoid harmful biases, promote inclusivity, and provide transparent explanations for its decisions whenever possible. That's crucial, because as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, trust becomes the cornerstone of adoption. YOFO Wildflower isn't just about being smarter, it's about being trustworthy. The excitement around OpenAI YOFO Wildflower is growing rapidly, and for good reason. This isn't just another step forward in AI, it's a bold leap into a new era. With its advanced technology, flexible scalability, and innovative design, YOFO Wildflower is redefining what artificial intelligence can be. It's more than just a tool for answering questions or generating content. It represents a shift toward AI that is deeply connected to the way humans think, create, and solve real-world problems. One of the most impressive aspects of YOFO Wildflower is how it brings together intelligence, empathy, and adaptability. Unlike previous models that focused mainly on language or data, this system thrives on creativity, context, and human-centered design. Whether you're building a business, creating content, teaching students, or exploring ideas, YOFO Wildflower enhances your work by understanding your intent and delivering meaningful, personalized results. It's not about replacing human effort, it's about amplifying it. What truly sets YOFO Wildflower apart is its balance between raw power and ethical responsibility. OpenAI has prioritized transparency, fairness, and safety at every stage of development. This ensures the AI is not only powerful, but also trustworthy and aligned with human values. In a world increasingly shaped by technology, having an intelligent system that understands social context and promotes positive outcomes is crucial. So whether you're a developer looking to build smarter applications, an artist hoping to push the boundaries of digital creativity, a student hungry for a more intuitive learning experience, or simply someone intrigued by the future of tech, YOFO Wildflower is something you should be watching closely. It's not just another update in the world of AI, it's a blooming force of innovation and transformation. Just like its name suggests, this model is a wildflower in the AI landscape, resilient, adaptive, and ready to flourish in places we never thought possible. It symbolizes the fusion of nature and technology, of human potential and machine learning. We're only beginning to see its true capabilities, and as it grows, so too will the possibilities it unlocks. This is more than just the future of artificial intelligence. It's the beginning of something extraordinary.